What if I told you there are YouTube channels making thousands of dollars a month without showing their face, without talking on camera, and without using any AI tools at all? Sounds impossible, right? Well, these creators are doing exactly that, turning simple videos into steady passive income streams. And I'm not just guessing, I've got proof. Real channels, real earnings. I'm going to show you 10 faceless YouTube niches that are absolutely blowing up this year, and how you can start one yourself, even if you've never uploaded before. Let's jump in. First up, we have Study With Me or Focus Timer channels. These channels are like your digital accountability buddies. They're built around cozy desk aesthetics, a candle burning, a notebook open, a warm cup of coffee. Paired with gentle lo-fi music and a visible timer on screen, people let these run for hours while they work or study. It feels like you're not alone, like someone's studying right there with you. Take the Sherry formula, for example. She earns close to $9,000 per month just from AdSense. The reason? Viewers don't just click, they stay. That long watch time means crazy high RPMs. If you want to try this niche, record your workspace or use copyright-free footage from Pexels. Add a timer in Canva or CapCut. Upload 1 hour or 2 hour versions first. Then repurpose clips into shorts for double traffic. This niche performs year-round. Students, remote workers, writers, everyone needs focus. Next, we have satisfying compilation channels. We all know these: soap cutting, kinetic sand, resin pours, slime mixing. It's like visual therapy for your brain. The oddly satisfying channel gets millions of views every month, making thousands of dollars by compiling viral clips. There's something universally calming about watching perfect patterns form. No talking, no story, just color, sound, and rhythm. If you're starting from scratch, film your own mini ASMR projects at home. Use CapCut or InVideo to stitch them together with gentle sound effects. The key is pacing. Don't make it chaotic. Viewers should breathe through your video, and because people rewatch these, the RPMs are solid. Next, we have nature ambience and relaxation sounds. These channels are built for peace. They help people sleep, meditate, or just focus. Here's a simple concept. Find beautiful visuals: waves, rain, campfires. Layer ambient audio and let it play for hours. Your relaxed music earns several $1,000s each month from ad revenue alone. They upload long, loopable soundscapes with titles like Rain on Window for Deep Sleep, 8 hours. This niche works because it's evergreen. You make the video once, and it earns forever. Here's a pro tip: upload in 4K if possible. People often watch these full screen on TVs. Add chapters like rain, thunder, or wind so viewers can skip easily. It boosts retention and keeps the algorithm happy. Next, we have cozy gaming channels with no commentary. This niche is huge and growing. Instead of loud gaming channels full of shouting and edits, these creators focus on slow-paced, cozy titles like Stardew Valley, Minecraft, and Animal Crossing. Cotton Velvet is a perfect example. They earn thousands monthly, just recording relaxing gameplay with lo-fi music, no talking, no face cam, just atmosphere. The audience? People who want background that's calm, something to play while they clean, cook, or study. If you're gaming anyway, you should record it. Keep your editing soft, use fade-ins and warm filters. Add relaxing music instead of sound effects. Upload consistently and build playlists by theme like rainy day gameplay or nighttime farm work. This niche has incredibly loyal viewers who binge for hours. Our next one is digital art and drawing time lapses. If you love drawing, painting, or designing, this is your sign. Record your screen while you draw, then speed it up 400 to 800% and add chill background music. Gazoo Studio is proof that it works. They earn several $1,000s a month uploading simple time lapses of art creation. The secret? It's hypnotic to watch someone create from scratch. These videos attract creatives, students, and anyone who loves process-based content. Add a short title like creating a fantasy scene in watercolor or drawing a Studio Ghibli background. Keep it simple and aesthetic. Here's a bonus tip. You can sell your brushes, prints, or wallpapers through affiliate links, Etsy or Gumroad. Next is stock footage and window view channels. Imagine sitting in a coffee shop in Paris, listening to soft rain outside your window. That's what Relaxation Windows captures. 8-hour videos of simple cinematic views, no talking, just subtle sound design. They earn steady monthly income purely from AdSense, and because videos are long form, the RPMs are solid. You can create your own version by filming static views, your balcony, your garden, your commute, or by curating Creative Commons clips. Add ambient audio and subtle titles like Rainy Cafe in Kyoto or Cozy Train Ride Through the Alps. These videos play in cafes, libraries, and waiting rooms around the world. The next niche is home and aesthetic lifestyle channels. This niche is pure comfort. Minimalist homemaking videos with soft lighting, folding laundry, cooking breakfast, cleaning countertops. Coco Home nails this vibe. Each video feels like a slow morning in a calm home. No narration, no dialogue, just peaceful visuals and subtle music. These channels earn thousands per month through AdSense and sponsorships with lifestyle brands. If you're a homemaker or love cozy routines, this is your lane. Film your real life, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Just peaceful moments. Use gentle colors, natural sound, and slow cuts. Add text like weekend reset or slow cleaning routine. People love watching these for inspiration and calm. Next is quiz and riddle channels. A little brain teasers never go out of style. These channels are fun, fast, and highly shareable. You ask a question and give viewers 10 seconds to guess, then reveal the answer. Brightside Quizzes makes major money doing this with animated slides. The trick is timing and design. You can use Canva to create simple question cards and countdown timers. Keep the answers surprising but solvable. For engagement, you can ask viewers to comment their score at the end. This doubles engagement and boosts the algorithm. It's perfect if you love puzzles and want repeatable content. The next one is Clean With Me and minimalist lifestyle montages. This niche is perfect for anyone who loves order, calm, and that fresh start feeling. These videos are a mix of cleaning therapy and lifestyle inspiration. They're slow, satisfying montages of decluttering, organizing, and resetting a space. Carissa Cleans It All is one of the best examples. Her channel combines high-quality visuals, real-life cleaning sessions, and soft, upbeat music. Every video feels like a mini makeover. You watch one, and suddenly you want to grab a sponge and clean your own kitchen. These creators earn solid AdSense revenue, and she is earning a few thousands a month. Plus, you can earn extra from brand deals with cleaning products, home goods, and organization tools. The formula works because it's visual storytelling. No talking, no narration, just the rhythm of cleaning, scrubbing, and resetting. Viewers stay to the end because they crave that final aftershot of a spotless space. If you want to try this niche, start with a real-time cleaning session in good natural light and add subtle text overlays like Sunday Reset or Deep Clean With Me. Use royalty-free music from Thematic or Epidemic to set the mood. And these videos are evergreen. People will always want to feel calm, productive, and in control of their space. And that's exactly what this niche delivers. And finally, we have walking tour channels. This is one of the most underrated faceless niches. You simply record real walks in city streets, beaches, markets, and let viewers experience the world through your lens. HP Walking Tours takes viewers across Tokyo, Paris, and New York. No talking, no edits, just smooth walking footage with natural city sounds. These channels can easily reach thousands a month in AdSense revenue because people binge them for ambience, travel, or background visuals. To start, all you need is a smartphone and a stabilizer. Film in 4K, walk slowly, and keep your camera steady. When uploading, add location titles like Morning Walk in Shinjuku or Sunset in Santorini. Here's a pro tip. Monetize beyond ads by linking hotel affiliates, travel gear, or Google Maps itineraries in your description. So there you go. 10 faceless YouTube niches that don't need AI, don't need voiceovers, and are already earning real creators thousands of dollars every single month. Every channel I showed you started small with a single video, a simple setup, and a decision to just start creating. The truth is, YouTube doesn't reward perfection. It rewards consistency. You don't need the perfect mic, camera, or editing skills. You just need momentum. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Pick one of these niches, set a small goal, maybe your first 1,000 subscribers, and commit to uploading once a week for the next 30 days. By the end of that month, you'll know what works, you'll have data to improve, and you'll be miles ahead of everyone still overthinking. And if you want to skip the guesswork, I've put together a free Faceless Creator Starter Kit with all the tools and affiliate links mentioned in this video. It's linked right below in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button so YouTube knows to show this to more creators like you. Subscribe for weekly videos on faceless YouTube growth and digital income, and I'll see you in the next one.